how to delete your Nintendo account. First, you want to simply open your browser over here, and inside your browser you want to simply go to the Nintendo website, and once you're inside the website you want to simply log in into your account. Once you're logged in into your account, you want to simply tap on your profile at the top right of your screen over here and tap on Nintendo account overview over here. By doing so, you'll be able to see your Nintendo account's information over here. What you can do is you're going to simply tap on account settings over here, and once you're inside your settings you will be able to find options called sign in and security option over here. You'd be able to simply see and delete account option at the very bottom of your screen. However, if you do not see it over here, what you can also do is you can simply contact the official help team. You can simply tap on this help option at the bottom of your screen over here, and by doing so you'd be able to select your region. And once you are able to contact the official team, what you want to do is you want to simply specify your problem over there, that you want to delete your account over there, and by doing so you'd be able to simply make an appeal, and the official team will reach out to you and it will ask for your deletions reason, and once you give a proper reasoning your account will be deleted. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.